呢條片咧講 Clause 33 Surety Bond，Surety Bond 咧就係你嘅保證書或者你嘅保函。咁要有咩責任咧？就 contractor to obtain guarantee from insurance company or bank。contractor 要取得一個保險公司或者銀行一個保證。咁 Surety Bond 係保證之一guarantee 之一。Clause 33.1估1 The contractor shall obtain the guarantee of an insurance company or bank。咁都係嗰句説話啦，即係 contractor 要取得一個銀行一個保險公司或者銀行咧提交一個保證。咁呢個銀行或者保險公司要點咧？就 approved by the architect， 要係呢個保險公司或銀行咧要經過則師批准嘅。To be jointly and severally bound with the contractor。咁呢間保險公司或者銀行咧係同 contractor 咧共同並且咧分別地捆綁住。向邊個捆綁住 ？To the employer 就對呢個 employer 即係負責。負責啲咩咧？In the sum stated in the appendix， 喺嗰個 appendix 裏邊咧就講咗咧嗰個保金擔保金幾多錢個銀碼，咁喺度跟住咧就提供一個擔保，咁呢個擔保咧有個銀碼喺度嘅。For the due performance of the contract under the terms of a surety bond， 咁咧就要 guarantee 即保證咧會完全履行呢個合同嘅規定。當然咧仲要根據呢個 surety bond 嘅條款去履行嘅，即係除咗 contract 之外咧 ，contract 就有 contract 嘅條款啦。咁 contract 條款當然就 contract 就去負責去履行啦。但係咧喺 surety bond 嗰度亦都有附加條款。咁附加條款基本上就會係 contract 就係要履行翻合同啦。咁但係咧而家有附加條款咧，如果履行唔到嘅話就賠償損失啦。賠償損失，如果佢都賠償唔到損失嘅話，就由嗰個保險公司或者銀行咧就代佢賠錢啦。咁代佢賠錢咧就有個上限嘅，就係嗰個保證金個上限，擔保金嘅上限。好啦，咁下邊黃色嗰啲即係啲補充解釋啦。咁個 employer 即係嗰個我哋通常叫業主啦，或者咧大陸叫發包方employer 咧有喺正式喺個 bond 裏邊咧，即係嗰個正式嘅名號咧就叫 obligee 或者 beneficiary 個身份就 obligee 個 beneficiary 即係受益人。咁 contractor 咧就係叫 principal 或者叫 applicant 或者 bond party。咁保險公司或者銀行叫咩咧？就係一個 surety 或者 guarantor 或者 bonding company。好啦，咁呢個 surety bond 亦都可以叫做啲 performance bond， 即係履約保證啊嘛。surety 就係講嗰個確實啦，可以咁講嘅確實，都係一種保證嘅，即係唔同時代嘅英文名啦。咁 performance bond 比較明啲咧，就係嗰個履約嗰個一個保證，即係 performance bond 呢個英文咧，就對翻中文咧就比較或者對翻一般意思就比較明啲啦。surety 就可能唔係好明係咩意思啦，不過佢而家就講緊聽就其實同個意義就一樣噶啦。好啦，喺呢度咧喺呢個條款咧嗰個insurance company 嘅 bank 咧係指個 insurance 同嗰個銀行喎，係即係保險公司同銀行咧就唔係指個 bond 咧係需要經過個則師嘅批准嘅。呢個上邊講approved by 係講邊咧？係講個 insurance company 同埋 bank 就唔係嗰種 bond。咁當佢要附加講咗啦 jointly and severally bound with the contractor 啦，即係呢間銀行或者保險公司係要經過則師嘅批准，兼咧同嗰個 contractor 咧係共同及咧分別咧係約束住嘅。咁點解嗰個 contractor 已經根據合同已經話要跟合同要 perform 嗰個合同㗎啦？點解仲要佢喺呢一度 再講多次咧咁樣啊，因為咧要將個 contract 放埋個 bond 裏，重新講多次，佢係要負責要完成嗰個合同履行個合同咧，就確保佢唔會話買咗啲 bond，如果單方面淨係嗰個保險公司或者銀行提交呢個 bond 之後，即係發出去 bond 之後咧，佢就可以甩咗身啦，唔使理佢個基本責任啦咁樣啊。咁如果係咁嘅話咧，即係保險公司或者銀行咧，就嗰個風險好大咯，好大咁個保金咧就會可能會提高啦。唔係保金，sorry，即係嗰個買保險唔係，sorry 又講錯，買呢個 bond 提交呢個 bond 嗰個保費啦就唔係保金，保費咧就會提高啊。咁當呢個意思一個可能性啦。第二個咧就可能更加重要啲嘅，就係咧，因為佢係 jointly severally 嘅含義咧，就係話嗰個 employer 咧可以向 contractor 或者向嗰個 surety 或者兩家人一齊追討要履行個責任嘅。當第一履行人咧就係個 contractor 啦。其實咧喺嗰個bond 嗰個潛台詞咧，就嗰個唔係潛台詞，都有個好似一般嚟講呢個 surety 咧就係要俾錢啦，但係其實佢都有權利可以繼續嗰個工程嘅喎。如果佢覺得佢要賠翻個 bond amount，但係咧其實工程成得好少啫，執埋佢都掂嘅，就唔使賠咁多嘅。可能佢有權咧同佢傾咧，就係嗰個 surety 係幫手完成即係 perform 未曾 perform 嘅嘢嘅，所以咧唔一定要講俾錢不過當然大部分嘅情況都係講俾錢啦，但係唔係絕對你講俾錢嘅。所以就呢度翻轉頭就話咧，嗰個 employer 可以要求嗰個 surety 或者 contractor 單一個是但一個或者雙方嘅去繼續履行嗰個原有嘅合同規定，或者真係唔得嘅話就俾錢咁所以有彈性。好啦，咁呢個 joint and several arrangement 呢個咁嘅安排咧，可以避免咧多咗，除咗話多咗呢個 surety 風險高咗之外咧，其實咧咁樣嘅安排咧可以避免咧都係嗰個 employer 咧面對有個情況就係原來呢個 contractor 同個 surety 互相爭議邊個負責俾錢喎，可能佢話我綁唔包呢啲喎，咁但係咁如果你單方面係有個 surety 出嘅個 contract 就話唔關事啊，surety 負責，但 surety 可能話喂呢我要擔保嘅唔係呢樣嘢喎，我唔負責咁樣。咁而家你捉住佢兩個一齊簽呢份嘢咧共同及分別地負責咧，就即係佢都冇兩家人都唔可以甩身咁即係有個好處嘅。所以點解要寫個 joint and several 呢個咁寫法？下一段咧，the contractor shall deliver the bond duly executed by the insurance company or bank within 20 days of the acceptance of the contractor's tender。咁呢度就話咧，接受咗呢個 contractor tender，即係中標啦，中標通知之後就28天之內，咁就要提交呢個 bond。呢個 bond 咧當然要正經經咁樣由嗰個正式由個surety 咧去發出啦，簽署蓋章做晒應該要做嗰個簽訂一份擔保呢個保證書嘅一個手續啦。咁通常咧，我哋都要求咧，佢係會出個 draft 出嚟，出 draft 出嚟咧，睇完之後先至出正式嘅 bond 嘅。咁有時啲 draft 咧拖住咧，就中咗標就遲遲都唔出又出咗嚟之後啲文字又唔係好啱又或者話咗要修改之後，好耐都冇修改到咁我哋要注意呢樣嘢咯。咁理論上28天係咪？但係咪個個 contractor 都咁準時都未必嘅。咁如果唔準時嘅點咧，就之後有個 clause 講嘅情況啦。咁就33.3個 clause 講嘅，咁就唔係咗33.1。好啦，咁就係講跳咗呢個括到3啦。括到3咧，咁而家冇講到嗰個頭先講咧，就係嗰個保險公司或者嗰個銀行咧就要獲得批准啦，係咪？ 冇講咗 bond 嗰條款點啊？呢度講啦，嗰度三條咧。The surety bond shall be in the form set out in the contract bills or specification。就話咧嗰個 bond 嘅格式內容咧，其實嗰個 form 就講主要嗰個格式啦，中文字過嚟，其實係都講內容啊，就係要講嗰個 contract bills 或者 spec 裏邊規定嘅。咁你點解綠色咧？就係 with quantities 嘅 version 就綠色啦，without quantity version 就藍色啦。OK，with quantity 就 contract bills 咯，你可以喺 contract bills 寫明個 bond 係點樣規定嘅。咁咩內容嘅，亦都可以 spec 裏邊嗰度寫嘅。好啦，咁但係如果你 without quantity 就係藍色就係 set out in the specification，咁啊只有 spec 即係寫，就冇 contract bill 寫啦。Or if not set out in either of those documents，係如果係綠色嘅，唔喺 contract bill 裏邊冇寫到 spec 又冇寫到，咁點啊？In the form set out in Schedule 1 of the conditions，原來咧，我哋 conditions 後邊咧有附咗個 schedule one 嘅，你咧就要跟嗰度。但係前提咧就話咧，其實如果 contract bills or specification 有講咧，就跟 contract bills specification 所講嗰個 form 去提交。如果冇講咧，就跟 schedule two 嗰個預設個 form 提交。OK，咁即係所以咧就係可以唔跟逐個 schedule one，你另外定一張 form 出嚟可以嘅。咁啊頭先讀咗綠色啦，咁藍色一樣啦。如果 if not sell in the specification spec 冇講到嘅咧，就跟 schedule one 嗰個格式啦。好啦，跟住就後邊咧 ，and the cost of obtaining the bond shall be borne by the contractor。咁呢度講就係要取得呢個 bond 嗰個費用咧，就有個 contractor 負責。咁呢個好明顯啦，呢個好啦，咁啊呢一個片咧講到呢度。